December 3rd, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Label the parts of the graph using the ratio table. All right, so we're going to label this and label this. What we are going to have here, first of all, this little point at 0, 0, what is that pointing to? This point 0, 0 is pointing to the origin. This one's called the origin, remember? That origin is going to be the center of 0, 0, or where the two axes cross. So the x and y axes, where they kind of make a cross, where they touch, that is what the origin is called. Now, we can take a look at some different coordinates, but the axes, remember, our x-axis is going to be the one going left to right. So that is going to be here, the one pointing to this axis, left to right here, the x1. And then our y-axis is going up and down. So in this case, it's distance in feet here. So I'm going to put this over here. This is our y-axis. Now, up here we have time and distance. Well, time is on our x-axis here. So time is actually going to be our x-coordinate. So I'm going to take this and drag it here. And then distance, last but not least, distance is our y-axis here. And it's going to be our y-coordinate. And that is it for the vocabulary. Great job!